Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a plan to completely transform yourself by January 1st. In this video, I'll be giving you 7 transformational steps as well as action items that you can do immediately while you're watching this video. But first, hello, my name is Jane, this is Station Jaya, and on this channel, we are dedicated to looking, feeling, and doing better through self-love, self-care, and self-improvement. Please help me by liking this video and go ahead and subscribe because I know you're gonna love it here. Without further ado, let's jump into today's topic. Step number 1, robotic affirming. Please, my friends, if you do nothing else in today's video, this is the one most crucial step. It's the magical key to this entire process. Your self-concept is absolutely everything. You are where you are right now because of your thoughts, because of your beliefs, and because of your feelings. Thoughts about who you are, what you can and cannot do, and what you can and cannot have. I'll never be able to do that. I'm too old. I'm too young. I don't have that degree. I don't have enough money. Stop it right now. I have incredible news for you. You can literally brainwash yourself into having the life of your dreams by forcefully controlling the narrative of your mind. The secret of this is robotic affirming. Robotic affirming is a technique that radically transforms the way that you think by saying positive affirmations consistently over and over and over again. This impresses your subconscious mind with these affirmations and has them running on autopilot in the back of your mind instead of all the junk that's already there now. If you don't believe me, that's fine. But do me a favor and say these affirmations with me and then come back and tell me how you feel. I always get what I want. I am limitless. I am the creator of my reality. I'm always in the right place at the right time. I get paid to breathe. Everything I touch turns to gold. The universe is flirting with me. I am qualified by God. I am the author of my story. My mind is worth millions. My metabolism is fast as hell. I'm naturally fit and healthy. Anything I desire is already mine. Feels really good, right? I know, it does. Okay, here's your homework. Go ahead and pick a few affirmations that resonate with you about your goals and your dreams. I have a few down in the description box below that can help inspire you. Now pick a few of the ones that make you feel the most excited and start robotically affirming them throughout the day. The most important time to do this is right before you go to sleep at night when you're really sleepy and drowsy, and also the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning. This is because this is when your mind is the most open and your subconscious mind is the most impressionable. You can robotically affirm all day long when you're taking a shower, when you're driving, when you're washing the dishes, when you're cooking, when you're exercising. You can say these statements out loud or you can say them in your head. It doesn't matter as long as you are continuously saying them. You're going to do this until these statements are on autopilot. You just naturally start thinking about them even when you're not saying them. This becomes the knowing state. All of a sudden, you're saying these affirmations and they just become true. I don't know how this works as well as it does, but it does. You know you're fit and trim and healthy. You know you're sexy. You know that you always make the best and healthiest choices for you. You know that everything you touch turns to gold. You can be specific if you have a specific goal, like I am 120 pounds, or maybe I have glass skin, or maybe my stomach is fit and toned and I have rock hard abs. I want you to take a moment right now and pause this video and take a look at all of the different affirmations in the description box below and write down a few that you are going to commit to robotically affirming over the next 4 months. You can go ahead and save those affirmations on your notes app on your phone. I'll wait right here. Step number 2 is to set a quality sleep schedule. My beautiful friends, how many of us out there are consistently getting less than 7 hours of sleep at night? Are you scrolling instead of snoring? Well, what if I told you this habit is aging you, keeping you fat, and making you dumb? Lack of sleep is associated with so many negative health effects, such as increased risk of heart disease, depression, weight gain, inflammation, and sickness. It affects our skin. It affects our cognitive function. It affects absolutely every single vital parts of our body. According to the National Library of Medicine, quality sleep improves memory recall, rejuvenates the brain, removes toxic waste that's in the body that's accumulated throughout the day from the environment or products, produces collagen in our body, and repairs our skin cells, which reduces our wrinkles and also evens our skin tone. Yes, please. You are going to be doing a lot of mental and physical work over the next 4 months that will have you emerging as the very best and the highest version of yourself by January 1st. And that is going to need time, effort, and energy, and you need your rest. Commit to a sleep schedule that is going to give you a minimum of 7 to 9 hours of sleep a day, and have this be as important to you as your diet or your exercise routine. Once again, please pause this video right now, go into your calendar app and schedule yourself a time that you commit yourself to going to sleep by. So for example, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Then you can go and set your phone to do not disturb during this time. And then I want you to do a second alarm 1 hour before your bedtime, which will trigger you and tell you, okay, now it's time to do your nighttime routine, wind down, maybe take that everything shower, get yourself nice, cozy, and comfortable in bed, maybe read or journal for 10 minutes, but then get to sleep by 10 o'clock. Okie dokie, now that that's done, let's go ahead and move over to step number 3, reading for 10 minutes a day. If you walk into the homes of some of the richest and most influential people in the entire world, their personal libraries are more impressive than their Ferrari collections. From the beginning of time, knowledge has been power. Books, especially mind-expanding books, are the gateway to all of the information you have ever wanted to know in your life. Become healthy, become rich, become educated, whatever topic there is under the sun that you are interested in, there are experts who have written books about it. I'm going to give you the titles of 5 books that will completely change your life, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check them out on Amazon, but you can probably find them for free in any library. Number 1 is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Number 2 is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Number 3 is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Number 4 is Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. And number 5 is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Sometimes I even like just getting to work like a few minutes early, and I park in my car, I have my reading light, and I read in my car for 5 to 10 minutes before I go into the office, and it makes me feel so good. It already makes me feel so accomplished for my day. However you can make it work for yourself, you can make it work, and it is so rewarding. Step number 4 is journaling and moving in silence. Why is everyone who journals so nuts about journaling? The reason is that journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and clarity. It allows you to truly know yourself and express yourself, your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, and your goals. And it helps you stay focused and motivated. Your journal and your journal practice will be all about you. And at first it might seem weird, but I promise you it's going to become one of the most favorite things that you do every single day. You can write to God, or you can write to Dear Diary, or you can write to a real or fictitious friend and let them know about all of the incredible things that are going on with you. Write as if you've already achieved your dreams and your goals and you're just talking about it. I am so grateful now that I've lost 50 pounds and I'm at my goal weight of 150 pounds. I am so in love and I'm finally marrying the man of my dreams. I'm so thankful and grateful. I just bought my dream home and my dog is so happy. She's running around in this massive backyard and I am just amazed about how much I've done. I cannot believe I am waking up to the most beautiful view of the Eiffel Tower. Wow. Another aspect of journaling is that it gives you the feeling of sharing without sharing your dreams and goals with anybody else. If you feel like sharing, put it down on the page. Something that happens when you start sharing your dreams and your hopes with others, it may bring up limiting beliefs within themselves. It may bring up feelings with even your closest friends and sometimes your family, especially if they're not doing any work currently to better themselves. And they will give you advice or they'll interfere knowingly or unknowingly with your progress. And you don't need that distraction. You don't need that advice. The only one who should be validating you or giving you your advice is your inner self. Right now, let's just put it on the page. Let's leave it between you, me, and God. And when you talk to somebody, you're going to be talking about your achievements, not your goals, not your dreams, but what you have already achieved. And then they're going to be asking you for advice instead of giving you advice. Personally, I like to journal first thing in the morning when I go downstairs and I have my cup of coffee. I just take a few minutes and I jot down all of it on my page. I'm leaving a few links to some super cute journals that I found on Amazon in the description box below, but you can do this on a journaling app on your phone or, use any notebook that's lying around. What you use to journal is not important as long as you journal. Pause me one more time. Go ahead and order the journal or find the paper and the pen, the notebook, whatever it is that you're going to journal on. Set it aside exactly where you intend to journal and come back to me. I'll be waiting for you once again right here. Step number 5, physical exercise and daily movement. All right, my loves, we have the mind covered, but now we need to get to the body. Pretty privilege is real. Whether we like it or not, we are a visually driven society, and the way that you look does matter. In the next 4 months, you're going to lose the weight. You're going to get fit and toned and healthy and sexy. And the only way that's going to happen is if you move that body. Are we going to do crazy workout routines? No. Are we going to do a crazy diet routine? No. Are we going to completely transform by January the 1st? Yes. What I want you to do is pick an exercise that you are going to love, that's going to bring you joy, and that you're going to be excited to do every single day. Yes, I said every single day. Is that Pilates? Is it yoga? Is it walking on a treadmill while you watch your favorite shows or your favorite movie? Is it walking through your neighborhood while you listen to your audiobook? Is it a dance class? Is it belly dancing? I don't know. Whatever it is that you know that you can commit to and it does not feel like exercise, it feels like a treat, that is what I want you to do 30 minutes to an hour every single day. This video is about being unrecognizable in 4 months. You're going to be doing some sort of exercise. And if you don't know what brings you joy, if you already don't know what that is, then go ahead and do something different every single day until you find it. For me, that's Pilates. And I tried everything under the sun. And then I found Pilates, and I could do Pilates every day. And it's like the happiest time of my day. There are so many videos that you can actually do on YouTube. There's Grow with Joe. There's a million other accounts that have the most fun and exciting exercises that you can actually do from home in front of your television. So take the next 5 minutes and figure out what it is that you're going to try. Or if you already understand what you like, then schedule some time in your day to do that every single day. You guys, I'm so excited for you. Please make sure and tell me what you guys chose to do in the comment section. I can't wait. Step number 6 is your diet. Just like exercise, your diet is so important to your transformation. The good news is you are naturally healthy. You always make good food choices. Your metabolism works so fast. You could eat anything you want and never gain weight. Your body is so intelligent. Your body uses calories and removes everything extra instantly. You are naturally slim, fit, and sexy and healthy. What we're going to do over the next 4 months is affirm, affirm, and affirm positive statements that will really help and support us making healthier food choices. We're not going to deny ourselves. We're not going to demonize things like carbs, but we are going to be more mindful of our choices. Are there ways that you can incorporate fruits and vegetables into your daily diet in like a delicious and exciting way? Is there a way that you can add more water into your daily intake? Can you romanticize healthy foods and inspire yourself by creating a healthy food board on Pinterest? You can actually check out mine. You can go over to Station Jaya on Pinterest and check out my board entitled Yum. Keep in mind, this is not about temporary change. We are changing our entire world, so we're really going to need something realistic. Start with affirming things and naturally incorporate healthy food choices and feed your body healthy and nutritious foods. Before you know it, the weight is going to start flying off, and you're just going to be enjoying sushi by the beach, and you're just going to be burning those calories while you're on your way to Lululemon getting a new workout outfit. And in 4 months, you're going to need an entire new wardrobe because you've lost so much weight, you've gotten so fit, your whole shape has completely transformed. Damn, Ashley, is that you, girl? What the hell happened? You look amazing. Oh, thank you so much. Step number 7 is non-negotiable beauty appointments. Are you walking around with your hair a complete mess? Are you doing manicures and pedicures on a regular basis? Are you consistent with your skincare routine? Are you walking around looking basically homeless? Are your lash extensions super crazy because you haven't gone in and gotten a fill? No more, girl. These are non-negotiable appointments. Doing it yourself is totally fine too, but it must be done. Your hair, your skin, your hygiene all need to be on point. So I want you to take a moment right now, right this very second, once again, pause this video and schedule that appointment. Start a Korean skincare routine and incorporate it into your daily skincare ritual. When you take the time to invest in your physical appearance, it says that you love yourself. It says that you prioritize yourself. You feel naturally more confident and approach your day totally differently when you are together and your lashes are lashing and your hair is shining and your skin is glowing and your lip gloss is popping. You are speaking volumes about yourself when you keep up with these things. Whether we like it or not, people will treat us better when we're put together. You'll find yourself getting more positive outcomes from everybody else, including yourself. On January the 1st, not only is your body going to be insane, your hair is going to be luscious, your lashes are going to be long and strong, you are going to be glowing, your nails are going to be classy and clean, and your brain's going to be sparkling. It's going to be so freaking amazing. I just cannot wait until you emerge like a phoenix out of the ashes. Wow, my queens, my goddesses, my lovelies, we have gone through so much good stuff in this video. I can't wait to hear about everything that you accomplish. Please give me a like if you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun. And most importantly, come back and let me know everything that's going on with you in the comments. I love you guys so much. And until the next video, mwah, bye.